as I mentioned to you, it is barely giving us a, it is kind of neutral, if you will. It's not giving us neither a buy or a sell signal. So we closed the week at 107.13. It's as I mentioned to you, this is the high of last week is 117.18. Screen. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. Got you. I have been working, guys, since 8 o'clock this morning, so I'm just getting a little bit tired, but it's okay. Uh, okay, so now I haven't stopped today, and tomorrow I have to prepare because tomorrow, God willing, I'm going to be on being interviewed by what's his name, Dermot Monahan. I find his name difficult. He's on Sky News in the morning. Dermot Monahan something around 10 o'clock in the morning. So I have to have a good night's sleep and clear my head so I don't make a fool out of myself tomorrow. So anyway, yeah, please. Just pray for me, huh? Wish me luck. Anyway, so as you see, we closed the week at 107.13. The previous high was the 18. So even though we broke above it, we closed. This is, thank you. This is, it's been between neutral and a sell signal, and it's more leaning towards a sell signal than actually a neutral. I mean, if I'm looking at this, I am looking more towards being bearish on the Aussie, that it wants to sell off, or there is no oomph behind it, there is no buying power behind it. But this setup, what it does, what this does, guys, it gives us an easy buy signal, because that was the close of the week. So that buy signal for us is going to be our trigger, which 107.18. So it's going to be somewhere around the, 1 second, guys, this is this guy Monahan, what's his name, so give me a second, 1 second, please. For tomorrow, so I had to take this phone call. I do apologize for keeping you, but forgive me, I had to take the call in. Alright, so let's go back to the Aussie dollar. In this case, as I said, we have a tendency, or that we probably have more towards a sell signal than a buy signal, but we do have, from what we looked on the weekly chart, that this here, this is a neutral to weak kind of close. So we need to be careful. We don't want to buy it now. I only want to buy it if it resumes this move. Okay, that's when I want to take it, when it resumes this move to the upside. Okay, so with that, and as far as selling it, I'm ready to sell it right now, so I'm going to find an entry to where I can sell it. So I'm going to look at the intraday chart, and this here, the 107.53, would be our buying point, and our selling point will be when it takes this momentum high. So I'll put it, the I have the market side 106.80, and this, so I'm going to put it here. This is my short point, okay? And if I go short over here, then I'm placing my stop above this momentum high. So this is my short stop. And if I buy it right there, I tell you what, this is not a good buying point. If you look at the structure on the weekly, it's right there. It's 107.19 or 107.18. This is where it closed, and that was the prior week's momentum high. And this is where it closed. So technically, we are going to place our stop below this is the long stop. So now you know why I chose the 107.20 or 107.13, because that's the momentum high, and this is, so if it fades, I don't want to be long anymore. Okay, so for the Aussie dollar, we're going to be a buyers above, and you see this was the 107.18 from last week. I'll show you when it comes up on your screen. This was the 107.18 from last week. So that's now going to be our long stop. Make it 107, leave it 107.18, so at least you know what we're talking. We're going to buy it above 107.53, and I'm going to go short below 106.80, and if I go short below 106.80, my stop is make it 107. Alright, and my structural, let's see our structure longs and structure shorts. Okay, that's my next structure point, which is the 108.82. Alright, and my short is going to be, this is not it. I mean, this is probably a much more structure. So it's going to be the 104. $104.39. So my structure is going to be 104.39. Alright, so, and the long structure 108.86. Alright, so this is the Aussie dollar. We're going to buy the Aussie at 107.50, and we are going to, the structure long is 108.86, and if I do that, my stop is going to be 107.18, so I'm risking about 40 pips on that trade. On the short side, we're going to go short below 106.80, and my structure short is the 104.59, and my stop in this case is going to be around the 107, so I'm risking it's a tight stop on that trade. Okay, then no, I didn't forget to record for that. Okay, and that is